I understand Pi in West Birmingham is holding for us. Good evening, Pi. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
We are good, and it sounds like you are awake tonight, so we're glad that you're up late with us.
That's right.
Yes, I am. And it's funny about the napkin story because I guess mine sort of just that, just a plain piece of paper. I've always wondered when it comes to a will. I have a very small immediate family, and I don't have a lot of property, don't have a lot of money, but I want things done the right way. Do I have to have it notarized? Do I have to have it done legally, taken to court, or, I just don't understand.
Madeline, that's the best question.
Yeah,
That's
Pi,
a
you started
great
off
question.
us all great tonight, if you will.
Okay, so
Yes.
there's a lot to that, but just the short of it is it can be on a napkin, it can be on a piece of paper, but you must have it witnessed. It needs to be two witnesses. They do not need to be related to you, meaning they don't need to be someone named in your will, and you need to have it notarized. So those are the legal requirements, really. Now, should you just write it yourself? Really, no, because it's easy. I've seen it happen so many times with people that have written things and they thought they knew what they meant, and everyone thought they knew what they meant, but maybe they worded it just a little incorrectly for legal terminology. So yes, you can do it, but you probably want to get a little bit of advice.
Well, and for someone in Pi's situation, she said she didn't have a lot of property, not a lot of assets to deal with. It's very, very inexpensive, isn't it?
It is. It's not expensive at all to have a will. No. And you need to do it because if you are intestate, if you don't have a will, then property may go to people that you're not intending it to go to. I mean, that could be one of your biggest reasons for having a will. So yes, you really need to have a will. It's going to guarantee that things are going to pass the way you want them to pass.
And what is the best age to start having a will?
Well, I really say that it needs to be at 18, 19, because anything can happen. I mean, any of us can pass away. We all have things. It doesn't mean that you need to have a huge estate. We're not talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars. If you have things that you want to go to a particular person, then you should have one.
Okay. Awesome, awesome.
And I think most of us are in that situation,
Yeah,
right?
have
I mean, I've
them.
had a handful of things that I want my son to have, things I want my daughter to have. I've even got things that I want friends to have. So it's just really, really important for that purpose,
Yes, yes. Well, Pi, you got us off to a great start with that question, so thank you so much for that. We appreciate you calling in.